Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and wireless module. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, webcam, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the retention tape that secures them to the system board. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and cable. Remove the webcam and display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and carefully open the notebook. While supporting the top cover, remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: system board with power connector cable, memory modules, RTC battery, heatsink, and USB board ribbon cable, fans, speakers, hard disk drive assembly, solid-state drive, battery, USB board, power button board, touchpad board. Insert the alignment pins on the top cover into the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, replace the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and carefully close the notebook. Route the display panel and webcam cables through the routing channel on the top cover. Insert the display panel cable into the display panel cable ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Connect the webcam cable onto its connector on the system board. Place the wireless antenna cables into position on the system board and replace the retention tape.